Mmm. Baby, you are so fine. Mmm. What you got planned for Saturday night? Well, whatever you got planned, you should cancel it and come on out to Caviar. Mmm. I can get you in for free. Just say Stella list to the door before 11:30. And it's just $10 from 11:30 to 12. But I can't help you with that one cause I'm broke. But anyways. I wanna lick your kneecaps. Do you mind if I lick your kneecaps? Hey, who that?
Stella, hell you doing in there? Open the door.
Hey, I'm busy.
This my crib. How you gonna lock me out of one of my rooms? Who you in there talking to anyway?
I'm talking to the girl you left in here all alone. Do you mind?
What girl? Ain't no girl in there? Hold up. I know you ain't talking about that cutout. Don't tell me you in there talking to a freaking cutout.
You think it's a cutout in here? Do you see a cutout anywhere? Cause I don't. Hey, Stella, going somewhere. Trying to cock block. I'm trying to get her to come out to Caviar Saturday.
Whatever, dude. You got issues. Just tell her to bring all her friends out. Be there before the line get crazy. Make sure her friends ain't wearing no sneakers. And make sure they all 21 and up. Alright?
Anyways. What's up with licking those kneecaps? La 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 la.